Hey you guys, what's happening? Well, I reached out to Dialmaker. I wanted to see what one of their dials would be like. Wanted to check out one of their ridiculously loomed dials. So, this came in the mail. Oh, son of a... I honestly thought, oh, okay there. I thought it was going to be a thin package. I'm super excited. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know what this should look like. Oh, son of a gun. Check that out. Ooh, and look. Look at the lume. That is a 50 layer lume dial. I wish I could have got my logo loomed like that, but here, let's take the top. Oh, hey, that's much better. That's much better. Check that out. Look at how thick the lume is on there. I can't wait to have this thing all loomed up. I'll get you guys like a super good shot. I'm just waiting on a set of vintage hands, and I'm going to put it in here. Take this dial and hand set off, and this is going in here. In und here. Well, that's pretty cool. I like how Dialmaker sent that and how it's all protected like that. Pretty neat. I've never had a dial from these guys before, so I was very curious to see the quality. And I'm just kind of curious to see what my logo would look like with just the head. Leave me a comment down below what you think. I don't know, you can barely see it. It's wings and head, or just head. Kind of like that too. I don't mind that at all. All right, well, this is just a super short and sweet little presentation. Dial from Dialmaker. Definitely go check them out. They got some really cool stuff in there, and this is one of them. So, next time, maybe not the next video, but next time it's going into this watch as soon as I get some hands. All right, guys. I just wanted to do a little show and tell and show off that dial. Actually, I'm going to go take you guys a picture in the dark. I will leave you guys a loom shot somewhere. All right, everybody. Cheers. Love y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.